Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today I'm going back to my Thanksgiving menu, and I decided to make an appetizer. And that appetizer is Maryland-style crab cake. Let's get to it. Let's get to the ingredients. Black pepper, salt, dried parsley, panko breadcrumbs, lemon, mayonnaise, Old Bay seasoning, yellow mustard, egg, and of course, the lumped crab. I'm using fresh crabs. Now we're going to assemble the ingredients for the crab cake. Mayonnaise, the mustard, the parsley, the Old Bay seasoning, the lemon juice, the black pepper, the salt, and the egg. Now we whisk all these ingredients together. Now we add the crab meat. We use a rubber spatula to take everything out of the bowl, and when we want a nice soft one so it doesn't crumble up the crab meat. Then we add the panko breadcrumbs, and then we fold everything together gently. Then I have a sheet pan here with parchment paper, and on the parchment paper, I have butter. And I'm going to assemble the crab cakes and then put them in the refrigerator and let them chill for 30 minutes. Let me show you what I'm going to do with one. Now we're going to form the crab cakes and put them on the sheet. Now do not press them down. Leave them up like that. Put them 2 inches apart. And do not press them down. Now we're going to put them in the refrigerator and let them set for a half an hour. Then we're going to come back and put them in the oven and let them bake for about 20 minutes. And the oven is set to 390 degrees. You know what I decided to do? to make some tartar sauce to go with these Maryland crab cakes. These are the ingredients we will be using: Dijon mustard, dill pickle, black pepper, mayonnaise, fresh lemon juice, and fresh chopped parsley. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. There you have it. Now I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it chill a bit. There you have it. Maryland crab cake and homemade tartar sauce. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.